How to fix missing developer tab controls in PowerPoint. If you're trying to add interactive forms, write VBA macros, or insert ActiveX controls in PowerPoint, but the developer tab is missing or its buttons are grayed out, don't worry, we'll fix this in this video. So first, let's make sure the developer tab is actually turned on in your ribbon settings. Right, so if you're in a project, just click on File, then select Options at the very bottom of the sidebar, and this will open your system settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Customize Ribbon. Then look over at the right-hand column under Main tabs. Scroll down right here and locate the Developer checkbox. Okay, and as you can see in my case, it's also not enabled. Just tick it and press OK. And the Developer tab will instantly appear in your top ribbon bar. Right over here, there's our developer. Next, what if the tab is visible, but the controls and buttons inside are grayed out? Let's fix this via our Trust Center security blocks. So go back again to File, then to Options, and select Trust Center. From the left menu, click the Trust Center Settings button on the right here. After that, select ActiveX Settings from the sidebar list. ActiveX, there you go, this. And in here, guys, in this window, you need to switch the selection from Disable All Controls to Prompt Me before enabling all controls. All right, just tick this. Then next, click on the macro settings and select Enable VBA macros or prompt with notification. Or you can just enable this and then press OK. And OK. And lastly, guys, if your organization uses group policy restrictions, your administrator may have locked ActiveX features for security. So if it's a personal computer and controls remain frozen, you need to go to Settings on Windows, Installed Apps, find Microsoft 365, and select Quick Repair to restore missing component files. Let me show you quickly. So just follow me. Apps, installed, 365, 3 dots, modify, and then repair with this button. That's it. These are the steps. Enjoy.